subscribe, like, comment. And press the bell icon. And watching last this video. Welcome back, gamers. Today, we have an exciting product to unbox and review. Say hello to the Ayaneo 2S, the latest handheld gaming device that's been creating quite a buzz. It's time to dive into the world of portable gaming power and features. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to stay updated on the latest and greatest tech. Let's get started. Now let's take a closer look at the design. If you're familiar with the Ayaneo 2, you'll notice a striking resemblance. The Ayaneo 2S is a beefy handheld, weighing in at 667 grams, giving it a sturdy and substantial feel. It's not the lightest option out there, so if you prefer something more portable, you might consider the Ayaneo Air Plus or Pro, or even the Nintendo Switch OLED. The Ayaneo 2S comes in both white and black versions, with some limited edition models featuring a unique design element related to ducks. The front of the device is all glass, with only the control sections made of plastic. The impact-resistant and scratch-resistant glass provides a clean and sleek finish. There are 3 USB ports in total, 2 USB 4 ports, and 1 USB 3.2 port for data transfer. While it would have been helpful to have some markings or labeling on the ports, they are conveniently placed. The top section houses the volume controls, power button with an integrated fingerprint sensor, and a couple of shortcut buttons. On the bottom, you'll find a headphone jack and a memory card slot. Time to power up the Ayaneo 2S. Thanks to the fingerprint sensor, logging in is a breeze. The software setup on the Ayaneo 2S is similar to its predecessor, running on full Windows 11. But what sets it apart is the iSpace Gaming Hub. It offers quick access to all your installed games, regardless of the platform. From Steam to Epic Games to Game Pass, it's all there. You can also tinker with various gaming settings and customization options. The controller section allows you to fully customize joystick controls, sensitivity, dead zones, and even the RGB lighting effects for the thumbsticks. You can turn your Ayaneo 2S into a mini disco with the array of effects available. The only downside is that iSpace lacks proper storage management, not showing the size of your games. However, you can expand the storage up to 4 terabytes, with options ranging from 512 gigabytes to 2 terabytes. The memory card slot supports data transfer speeds of up to 300 megabytes per second. Let's talk about the display. The Ayaneo 2S boasts a 7-inch touchscreen, offering a crisp 1920 by 1200 pixel resolution. While it's not OLED, the display is noticeably sharp and provides good contrast. The IPS technology ensures reasonably deep blacks, making games like Returnal a visually pleasing experience. However, the screen may struggle in direct sunlight, so finding shade is necessary. The refresh rate maxes out at 60 Hz, so if you're after 120 Hz visuals, you'll need to turn to the Asus ROG Ally. Nonetheless, the Ayaneo 2S's display delivers a great gaming experience. On the audio front, the Ayaneo 2S features a stereo speaker setup with downward-firing speakers. Despite the slight tinniness, they can pump out powerful audio, especially at maximum volume. For the best experience, though, plugging in headphones is recommended. The device also includes built-in microphones, allowing you to communicate with teammates during online multiplayer sessions. Now, let's dive into the heart of the Ayaneo 2S, its performance. The upgraded specs truly shine. The AMD Ryzen 7680U has been replaced by the 7840U with an integrated Radeon 780M GPU. The RAM options have expanded as well, with a 64GB model joining the existing 16GB and 32GB options. Although you have the option to add an external GPU, for this review, we focused on the Ayaneo 2S as a handheld gaming console. Benchmarking the Ayaneo 2S on the Pro mode at 33 watts, it performed on par with the Asus ROG Ally. A 3D Mark Time SPI score of 3088 was achieved, similar to the ROG Ally. The stress test also yielded impressive results, with a score of 98.6. Playing games like Doom Eternal and Forza 5, the Ayaneo 2S showcased its power. Doom Eternal, running at medium detail levels and a resolution of 1920 by 1200 pixels, achieved an average frame rate of around 30 frames per second, with occasional drops during intense moments. Forza 5, on low and high graphics settings, maintained a smooth and stable frame rate, with no noticeable drops even during extended gameplay sessions. The Ayaneo 2S has an upgraded cooling system, featuring a high-speed fan, 3 copper tubes, graphene technology, and large vents. The fan can get quite loud when working hard, but it effectively dissipates heat, preventing throttling. The triggers have also been improved for a